Good morning. Today is March 7th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in San Pablo, California. Okay, so today we're going to be refinishing this bathtub here in San Pablo. This bathtub here, it looks like there's possibly been a coating applied to it at one time, and it looks really yellow, so it looks like some sort of a epoxy was applied to it, or possibly one of those refinishing kits from Home Depot. The refinishing kits that you pick up from Home Depot, they always yellow and they just don't hold up too well. I mean, there's no primer that comes with it, and it's usually just a really thin coating. So anyway, what we have to do with this bathtub, we have to strip it, fully strip off this coating and get it down to the bare surface and redo it. So this will take probably around 5.5 hours to fully strip and refinish. So we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we just finished up the bathtub here in San Pablo, California. Let's have a look. So we stripped off that old coating, came off pretty easily. I believe it was one of those refinishing kits from Home Depot. They normally yellow and they're easy to strip off. So went ahead and stripped it off and fully cleaned, sanded, and primed and refinished this tub. Big improvement from what it looked like. Nice and shiny, and that's it. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.